Hey guys, so okay, in this video, it's going to be quite short. I'm out in the field, I'm in Waterloo, and I'm going to give you guys a tip for shooting great street portraits, whatever the weather. How to trap the light, where you need to do that, and the where being relative to whichever location you're in. I mean, you can find these pockets of light literally in your back garden, so wherever you are, okay? Okay, before I jump into it, guys, please subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed already. It's a really big support for me. Give the video a thumbs up, a like. YouTube seems to like that, so I've got to ask you guys to do it. If you haven't yet bought a copy of my zine, The Way of the Street Photographer, grab yourself a copy, lashmarcreative.com. Follow the signposts to the zine. It's not a huge chunk of a book, but there's enough inspiration in there that's going to get you out of jail when you need some inspiration. Yes, and check out our new podcast. There's a link to all of this stuff in the bio, so you won't get in the show notes, so you won't get bogged down with it here. The audio in this video, because I'm winging it a bit, I'm out and I sort of improvised the video when I was in Waterloo. The audio's a bit suspect, but I think it's not too bad. It's an iPhone, okay? So yes, let's get into character. So one of the best places to shoot portraits when you're out against it, actually it'd be great if I had a model, but that's fine. So one of the best places to shoot street portraits, if you're up against, you haven't got a reflector with you or anything like that, open shelter, okay? So like this, okay? This here traps all of the light, especially if it's dark, that dark background. If it's bright, or if it was I don't know, if there was walls that were white, that'll bounce the light all over the shop, and that's going to look great too. It's still trapping the light, but my preferred background is to have this where, like, so that it's dark. It just sucks all of the light into its space. Yes. Basically, you want somewhere that's going to trap the light. Okay. So here, watch this. Okay, but shooting from here down, unfortunately, it's my mush you've got to look at, but the light here, okay, is more palatable than if it was here, perhaps, okay? It's more shadow, whereas here, unfortunately, it's my mush you have to look at, but it's a little bit more palatable. So open shelter. You know, you can feel that light, okay, like the turn of your head, right? Just like you can feel where the light is strongest and where it's sweetest, right? You can feel it. That's what I think photographers don't get into and we need to get into the habit of doing that. It's like you're the subject. Where would be the best place to stand if someone was taking a portrait of you? That's the question to ask yourself. Here, it'll look good, I promise you. Okay, sure. Yeah, because of this open shelter.
Us both or just myself?
Yeah, both, one at a time though.
Okay.
Because this light,
yeah.
So if you come just here, yeah, so if you just stand here, so if you just look here, and eyes to the camera, I think it's the hat. Lift the hat slightly and lift your head up. Look at you? That's it, there's the light, there's the light. I'll get a bit close, man, because it's perfect. Got it, man.
Well, lovely to meet you.
You too. Cheers, guys. Take care. Yeah. I'm alright, man.
Yeah, I don't want to see your face.
Oh, you're alright. Let me get your picture.
Yeah.
Over here.
Take a good one.
Yeah. If you stand here, where I'm standing, just here, wait till these people go, man.
This face is not my face. It's the face of Shaitan.
No.
It's the face of...
Right, hold up. Look into the camera. What's your name?
I like Adam.
Adam. Oh, you said Adam.
Adam, yeah.
I'll look out for you, man. Look out for you.
Thank you very much, brother.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah,